Okay, today we are going to be playing Car Crushers, which is a game where you go up and you break cars. Yeah, my friend has had more experience in this game, so he's going to explain a little bit more. Hello. Man. Yeah, you could say the thing that you want to say.
What's up, guys? I am Diego's best friend. And, okay, we were wrong about the name. It's not called Car Crusher, so sorry about that. We'll link it on the bottom of his video. It's called Road of Car Crash if you want to search it up on Roblox. And, yeah, just like and subscribe.
Who am I? To make me happy.
Yeah. And if you don't, we sad.
Go flying! I didn't go flying.
So what we're going to try to do today is that we're going to try find planes and then crash into each other in air.
But that's for the end of the video.
But do not try this at home if you're flying a plane, please.
Only in Roblox. Yeah.
Yeah.
Only in...
All the stuff you see, you better not try it. It's not good.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, no.
Where are you?
My thruster. Oh, crap. I'm in the bleacher where I just got exploded.
You blew up?
That's what happened.
I'm trying to find you. Where are you?
I had the loading screen and I forgot what to click. So wait. I'm still alive. Oh wait, I'm still alive. I have no arms and legs.
That's good news.
I have no arms and legs, David. I need a pickup. I have no arms and legs.
Hey, I'm flying down.
Oh wait, hopefully my sound is down. Oh no, I don't want to fly the plane.
Is your plane that we are flying?
Let's go. It's the baby. How do you get into this car? Go. It's the fastest car in the game. No, it isn't. Not even close. It's just a funny car called the funny car. I mean, it's called the box car number 2.
I'm gonna try to crash into it. No, I'm gonna crash into this truck. Nope, I'm gonna crash into this.
Perfect. The ramp didn't even let me up. That's how slow the baby car is. Don't ride to the baby car. Yeah. Oh, but I think it is invincible.
Hey, just like stay in, I guess.
What the heck?
Wait, how do I get over there?
I don't know. No. Keep on going, car. Oh, yeah.
I found a way. I think I found a way.
I'm going to find a way to break through the baby car. Let's go.
You want to race? Ow, I crashed.
Yeah, but I'm kind of stuck on a ramp, so I gotta pull up my Lamborghini. If there is one. Lamborghini Hurricane 2. Dun.
Wait, you recording and we're talking.
Dun. I think my car is perfectly fine.
Oh, it flipped. I'm still alive. Oh, hi.
Yeah,
I'm coming in. You go.
You're never gonna catch me. Never mind.
Wait, I went under a truck. Oh, I cannot do. Help!
Who are you?
Getting crushed by a truck. Help me.
Wait, where are you? I gotta ram the truck. No, my car is halfly broken, but my wheel got stuck in the.
I'm going back to the ramp. I want to try to ride the big one.
No, the big one's stuck.
Oh, sorry, mister. I did not mean to crash into your car. Yeah.
I know. Oh, clean drift. I'm gonna go over 5,000 miles per hour. Yeah.
Oh, I'm doing so. Ah! I'm getting beat up by.
This proves how good I am at driving. I'm overage. That's how good I am at driving. I'm overage. You noob!
Diego, can you please help me? Because I got run over by the magic school bus.
The magic school bus. Oh, dude.
Okay, I'm gonna ramp. I'm gonna ramp up again.
Dude,
I
I need help, David. My tires got stuck in the brick.
Well, I'm gonna ramp the big one, so see you there.
Dude, it's gonna send you up 2 miles, and then you're gonna be lucky. So that's day we're in a race. Because
But where are you exactly?
I'm at the racetrack.
I don't know where that is. Oh, right here?
Yep. I just gotta break my car again. Yo, stop breaking her up.
Oh, there you are. Hi. Oh.
You're not gonna catch me. Never mind, you might catch me.
We're having a police chase? Okay, I'll get my police car ready.
I love ramming into stuff. That shows how good I am at driving.
Wait, is this? Are you in there? Hey, yo. Oh, now you're in trouble.
I crashed into you.
Where are you? Where'd you go?
Under the ramps.
I'm coming to get you. Police officer coming. I keep on crashing.
I might have to ramp to get out of you.
No, you won't.
Yes, I do.
Oh, I already just crashed. Oh. Is that you?
Yes, it is me.
Yeah.
Oh, perfect landing.
Oh, I landed. No. Oh, I crashed.
I don't care. I'm a car with wheels.
You. Oh, there you are. Oh, no. My car is broken. Nope,
Yeah.
my car is broken.
We're gonna have to do it old-fashioned way, chasing with flashlights.
I kinda. Go. I got you.
No, you didn't.
Whoa. Yes, I got you. Yeah,
Wait.
Stay.
But you have to arrest me.
Wait.
Do. Ah, no. I just.
Oh.
All that.
What, Daisy? I might have crashed.
Make the landing. Let's go.
That's it. My undercover cop car.
I gotta go underground. No. Okay, I gotta hide. F1v1. Okay. I think I'm safe for a little bit, at least. I just saw a car just go flying.
You suck. Where'd you go, mister?
I went somewhere.
Oh, you're definitely flying a plane, aren't you?
No, I'm not. I'm being very sneaky, though.
I crashed my car.
I see a cop car.
That's not me.
Lamborghini Hurricane 2.
Oh! You okay?
Oh, never.
Oh, that's not you.
You can never catch me.
Other
You can never catch me. 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 Never mind, you can't catch me now.
Okay, right over.
Lamborghini
Is
Hurricane.
that... What is wrong with that cop car?
That's no, the cat car is not the car. I'm so fast. I am so fast.
I'm going in to race someone.
What?
I'm racing someone, don't worry.
I just exploded.
Okay, that sucks.
I'm gonna steal someone's car. No,
I'm racing someone.
I wanna ride the Lala. Let me turn off this.
I flipped my car.
La. Let's see how fast this guy goes.
My car flipped.
I'm crashing it.
No, I'm not. No.
I wanna another fast. Why did a car just crash into me? Why extra? What the?
What are we gonna do? That's what I was thinking.
Bus.
Oh
No, my head got stuck. No, I'm going to a different mode. Okay, we're gonna go into a different mode now. We did that. So click. Wait, update logs. No, I don't want to read that. No. Play.
Well, which mode did you go into?
I'm gonna go into the train map. Yes. Yes.
Train map. Let's see. Play. A perfect try and stop. I couldn't read it. Just teleported me.
I think you get hit with the train. I'm gonna try to beat the train.
No, I'm gonna be. Okay, let's be a funny car.
I'm gonna be Speedy Yellow.
I'm gonna be the news van. I'm gonna crash into a train with a news van.
Bruh! Why? This car doesn't work!
Well, where's the train? That's my question.
I don't know.
You think I found it? Is that the train trap? Missed it. Right, at least I know where it is. I'm gonna just go right here above it.
Porsche.
Better spawn in super quick because I ain't waiting all day here just to get one of the good ones. Dude, it's gonna be a cool shot. Come on.
Dude, let me into my dumb car. Thank you.
Hey, come on, train, come out. If this dude, you better not. I hate you. No one loves you like that.
Hey, language.
I got blown up.
You deserve that for being mean. Oh, I found like a broken train. Or yeah. Oh, there's a place I have to conquer.
That's
Yeah, there's a place I have to conquer. Get out of my car.
yeah.
I have to get into the plane. Fly out. Dun 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 dun. I already crashed out. Yep. I'm really good at flying planes. What? Why does it immediately explode? Stop. If you explode, it's gonna make me very. No, my head.
This dude's car blew up because he crashed into him.
Go up, go up, go up. Fly up.
There's
Fly
a
up.
Tesla Cybertruck on the train track.
No, fly up. Fly up. There's a whole part of the other city. I just beat the system, guys.
Hey, why is the train glitch? Is it not?
No.
Oh, that was a big explosion.
Default. Yes.
I think someone broke the train because it's not moving anymore.
That was probably me. Sus. What?
Someone broke it. Oh no, it didn't break. Oh geez, no, Tesla. The Tesla died.
No.
Dude, a monster truck versus a train. Who wins? Train, probably.
No, I'm the tow truck.
Is that you?
Yeah, I'm the tow truck.
Monster truck, you can do it. Well, park it right.
I'm gonna go with this guy.
Get up! The train's coming!
No! How's it winning? They're winning. Won.
He stopped already. Bruh. The train got defeated that easily. Okay, let's go drive away. Oh, I died.
My car. No! David! No! It killed you.
Yeah, it kidnapped. No, it stole my car.
Who is this guy? This guy's car is
It's a
clean.
big fuel truck.
No! Luxury car.
Big explosion because I blew everything up. Come on.
No! I have a have a great car called the luxury car.
Well, I have like a gas tank car, so I wonder if it's gonna be big booms around.
Mine is
I'm going like 15. I'm going 50% per hour.
okay, where is my main car?
Go faster, come on.
Office chair.
Do it.
If it doesn't go over 100 miles per hour, I'm gonna be pretty mad.
Come on, go faster, train.
Dude, I have the fastest car that will hold it. The office chair. No, do you see that?
Get up.
Okay, the office chair is gonna win it. Yeah, no. Did my office chair win? I think my office chair won. Let's go.
I'm gonna do my monster truck. It's
Don't touch it.
I know, bruh. I touched it and it stole my car.
No, let me spawn.
There you go. It's just fun.
David just exploded, I think. Dun.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go so fast that I'm gonna beat the ramp.
I'm going in my car and drive. I'm not. Just train.
Boom! Where's the ramp?
I'm in the.
No!
Okay.
I went into the valley. No! My head got stuck. Please help me.
Why did Steve bully a car? It's just an ugly, fancy car.
Plane. Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. Gotta get out of here. Dun 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 dun.
Okay, can you please help me? I got flamed.
Skip. There you go, I saved myself. Let's just reset to get out of here. Blip, 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 blip. Blip, 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 blip. Ha ha ha.
Perfect. Stop the train for real. Okay.
Okay. Thank you guys for watching this video. We had a lot of fun filming it. Yeah. But before we end the video, we got to make the best part, the plane part, where we're gonna crash into each other and go onto the map. Right, let me get into my plane. David, I'll meet you. Wait, what? I'll meet you under the map.
Yeah. How about crash into land? Because we'll crash into land and explode. That'll be better.
Wait, I found like a secret little pocket underground.
I see it. I'm under the map and I see something weird that keeps on popping and popping up.
I saw someone fall. Yeah, it's like a.
Don't fly into it. It might be like land, so you can crash into it.
Oh no, it's they're like little supports.
That's weird.
I'm gonna run.
It's probably the light. It's probably the lights. The lights. I don't know what to say. The light post. There you go.
Oh.
No! No, I lost my wing. No, I lost my wing already.
No.
Wait.
I'm gonna go crash into the plane. No.
I'm gonna try to crash into you. Stay still. Oh, you lost your wing. I'm right behind you too, so I'm gonna go crash into you.
No. Yeah.
Oh no!
Please don't ram into me like this. It's scary.
I try running into you like that. Yeah. You broke.
I broke myself.
You got blown up.
Yeah, but that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We had a lot of fun. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
And we'll maybe film another video soon. Not in like 5 years. Okay, bye.